Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically, completely, and fully how to use the stopwatch on a Casio F105 digital watch. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So right here, as you can see, this is the Casio Illuminator, and this specific one is the Casio F105 digital watch. And it has a built-in chronograph on it, which is like a stopwatch, essentially. So the first thing that you want to do is get to the stopwatch screen. And to do that, you press the mode button, which is the bottom left button, twice. From the main screen over here, you're going to press it once, brings you to the alarm screen, and second time brings you to the stopwatch screen, otherwise known as the chronograph screen. Okay, now the most simplistic way to use this is that you use the bottom right button to start and stop the timer, and then use the top left to reset it. So check this out. I can push the bottom right, it starts the timer. Whenever you want to stop it, you stop it like that, and then you push once it's stopped, you push the top left to reset it. That's it. So in its most simplistic way, that's how to use the timer. But there's an additional feature, which is the sort of like the lap splitter. So you can split the time. So check this out. If you want to split the time, you start it normally like that. While it's running, whenever you want to split it, you're going to push the top left button. And when I push the top left button, it's going to stop it, but it says split right there. So it's still running. You can see the dots flashing. It's still running in the background. Now, whenever you're ready to stop the second time, you're going to push the bottom right, okay? Now those dots stop flashing, and you've now split it and you stop. So you've split it and you've stopped the timer. So you have the split time right there, 7.66 seconds. And then when I push this button, it's going to show me the non-split time, which was the 19.10 seconds, 19.1 right there. And from the non-split time, you press this again to clear it. Very simple. So the easiest way is start like that, start it like that, stop it, clear it, okay? The other way is start it, okay? And then split it whenever you want, and then stop it, push this to get the second time, and then push this again to clear it. And that's it. There's also a way to clear the split also. This is like an advanced way. So basically you start it, you split it, okay? And if you want to clear that split, you just push this again. You clear the split. I can split it again another time. And then I can clear that split again. I can split it another time. I can clear that split again. And if it doesn't say split, then I'm just in the normal timer mode. I can stop it and clear it like that. And then when you want to go back to the home screen, you just press this once again, and you're back at the main screen. And that's basically it. That is how to use a stopwatch on this specific digital watch, which is the Casio Illuminator, also known as the Casio F105 digital watch. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.